mejoro. Obonye kanyi mejoro. Ofun wamu we. Ofun wam jemano we. Obonye kanyi mejoro. Abokene kanyi mere. Obi abawamu we. Obi elewamu we. Obonye kanyi mejoro.
Mama, you're still awake. You are worried. Your soul is troubled. And I know why. It is because of the big man in the big man's land. Yes, Mama. The big man in the big man's land is in trouble. He needs your help. Or are you going to turn your back on him? Remember what Grandma said. It is a privilege for you to find yourself in a position to help someone. The more we help people, the more we help ourselves. That's what Grandma said. Grandma does not lie and can never lie, can she? I plead with you, Mama. Do not change you who you are because of the wrong other people has done to you. A heart that seeks upliftment cannot pay evil with evil. That's what Grandma said. A touch from you could mean a lot. And a word from you could also mean a lot to him too. It could heal his soul and heal yours as well. Mama, this might be the chance. Why us to be the big man that we have always dreamt of? Mama, if not for anything, but please do it for your only son, whom you love. Please. Mama, please don't miss this chance.
Just look to the sky. Make a wish. Oh, and the Lord of the universe will bring it to you as you wish. Just say a prayer.
Yeah. Hey. Sherry, you never hear anything they happen. Eh? You never hear say original doctor don't come. We go treat Oga Harry for all the yamayama with the warrior. You never hear that?
And who is that?
That's my village girl for village. She don't pack. Oh, I love medicine. Come. Eh? But she treat Oga. You know, observe say no be ordinary typhoid and malaria. They worry Oga. Eh? He shock you? He shock me too. He shock me. You don't shock me since.
Hygienist.
Eh?
I have loads of work to do. I don't have time for this your stupid and idle gossip this morning.
What did they make you vex now for this thing why I just stop? Okay. Waiting they provoke you now. And if I don't talk finish, you don't do what I go.
Say what you want to say. What again?
Who use my small money? Why they come off from my salary? They give you. Why they use the toast you? You understand? Hope say they save them. Eh? I want to ask whether you don't agree for me. Make me hear you there. You understand? Now me, Hygienist. Eh? Me Hygienist. Eh? Hygienist. Tolo lewi. Kile melo. Ah, that is you idiot. We wanna laugh. Hey, I blame myself. Like, I blame myself. If no be myself, I blame. Why this idiot with the for me? Yeah? The answer. But I just go. Go. This music don't kill me. I just need to go. Go.
Ofumbolanya jisugwa Ofumwa mojaga Obonye kanyi mejoro Obonye kanyi mejoro
Obi-Wan. Teta. Kevina chavia komiko teta. Obi-Wan. Teta. Ọnwa bụrụ maka gị biko teta obi m
Oh, Teta.
Oh, destiny. Oh, destiny. Could be delayed, but can never be denied, no. Denied, no. Ijiza chaya kibwe. The wages of sin is death, but the reward to the righteous is everlasting joy. Oh, so which have you chosen? Oh,
What will be, will be. What will be, will be. Although it might take long, but that's
in so many ways, our Maker teaches us. In so many ways, we learn. No one fights the destiny he never created, because what will be, will be. Come. Come, my dear.
Ma?
Come sit with me.
What will be, will be. What will be, will be. Although it might take long, but destiny no they lie. Destiny has.
You've secured a place in my heart, my daughter. I need no soothsayer to tell me that you and my son are made for each other.
from the innermost sanctuary of my heart, I consent to the union between you and my son. Give me a hug.
What will be, will be. Oh, although it might take long, but destiny no they lie. Destiny has a voice. It speaks so loud and clear. So onye weru cheka wata the movements of destiny. Come what may.
The storm is finally over.
Oh yes, it is. The storm is indeed over.
I must apologize for everything I put you through.
No. Say no more. I am supposed to be the one apologizing to you.
You are such a beautiful soul.
And I'm so happy to have you in my life.
So, about your people. I'm thinking tomorrow will be fine to come make official introduction, or maybe next tomorrow. So I'm telling you now for you to make preparations and also tell them to get ready, because Harry is coming to marry you.
That will be fine, but there is something I needed to tell you. It's about my sister.
Your sister?
Yes.
Well, whatever it is, okay? I don't want something that's gonna put us off this beautiful moment we're having together. So if you ask me, I will say we'll leave that for next time. Okay?
Obim, it's something you need to...
Don't worry. No. I insist. I think I have a clear picture of what it is. It's about the past. You must leave the past to worry about itself. We are here today, planning for tomorrow. And that is all that matters. I love you, Nkem.
I love you, Obim.
Ijiza chaya kibwe. The wages of sin is death, but the reward
I have come to make my marriage proposal to her official. Nkem Dere, my meant. Yeah, so I'm going to come with my people for us to, commence with the necessary.
deep down within us, we are all so excited already. But we must not forget tradition. Let us call our daughter and Kendall to confirm if this young man is at the right place. Right. My daughter, you are there. Come forward. Stop peeping, Come. Come, my dear, come. Come. Our daughter, this young man here has indicated interest in you. He has come to ask for your hand in marriage. Do we accept this drink from him?
Yes, uncle. I will marry him.
Hey, Odoguna, no, you are at the right place, yeah? And we are happy to have somebody like you as an in-law.
Well, I must thank you for the hospitality, and I'm glad to be in this family. Kendrick is a national treasure and must be treated with care. She's a virtuous woman. She's kind-hearted. She's hardworking. She's a beautiful soul, in and out. And of course, every noble man will love to have her. Just that I'm wondering why the sudden tuberculosis. I hope you're free from that, though.
No, it's just ordinary cough.
Oh, ordinary cough.
Yes, please.
Sorry about that, my girl. Okay, so I will come with my people in due time to commence with the marriage preparations. Huh?
That is good, yeah. Welcome. Welcome.
It's quite funny that everyone is having tuberculosis.
You want him by all means. They quick mouth up and down. They carry yourself like say, yet you no get packaging, no home training. Better think twice. I want him all around. Every Cynthia sorrow. I don't want you to area. Nero wegaka. Pride will never pay you. Nero wegaka. Okwa makechi kamje. Nero wegaka. To avoid her I know at last. Nero wegaka. Like mother, like daughter, full of threats and violence, envy, hatred, desperate for money. Uchunu di choir. To avoid losing completely. God will not be man, no, neither man be God. I don't want you chariot. Nero wegaka. Pride will never pay you. Nero wegaka. Makechi kamja wakwagia. Nero wegaka. To avoid regret. Nero wegaka. I don't want you chariot. Nero wegaka. Pride goes before downfall. Nero wegaka. Ikpasi ajoka kwa. Nero wegaka. Adiya wachiko. you want him by all means. They crack mouth up and down. They carry yourself like safe. Yet you no get packaging, no home training. Better think twice. I want him all around. A worry since your sorrow. I don't want to cherry. Your own way got pride will never pay you. Your own way got oh, kwa makechi kamje. Your own way got to avoid her, I know at last. Your own way got they like mother, like daughter, full of threats and violence. Envy, hatred, desperate for money. Uchunu the choir to avoid losing completely. God.
Oh, when your heart was in joy. Oh, can it can you marry the war? Oh, boy, can you measure? God of the poor, yeah. Tell me you can see the pain we are going through, the tears in our eyes. When will it be over? Will it be over?
You're already awake this early morning. Nne, are you okay?
I don't like the way I am feeling. I don't like what I am feeling.
How are you feeling?
I don't like the way I'm feeling. I'm feeling like something is wrong.
This is not the time to wear yourself away with worries. The phase of worries have come and gone. You know what? The phase we are right now is that of joy. And it's going to be joy all through.
Where is Ofunwa?
Ofunwa? He's inside. Ofunwa!
Yes,
Mama.
Ofunwa. Mama, did you say your prayers this morning? You forget me. Mama. What about you? Did you say your prayers this morning?
Mama, I forgot.
So I should name both of you forgot. How can you forget to say your morning prayers? Both of you should kneel down and start praying. Don't you know that God will not...
We are already late. We need to harvest the crops at Ogwani today. If we don't do it today, we might not do it again.
Yes, Mom.
Besides, you saw the sky yesterday. It might rain in the night and destroy the crops that are already due for harvest. Inugo, because let's just run along before the sun comes out.
I am talking about prayers. You're talking about harvest. Tell me, Ofu, which one is more important? The morning prayer or the harvest? They told us, pray without season.
Missing our morning prayers for once is not a sin. Because and the storm is over.
The storm is not over until it is over. Pray without season. There's so much evil lurking around the corners. And if...
Ne, please. We promise never to miss our morning prayers again. No, often, because get the basket. Let's go. Let's hurry before the sun comes out. Ne, we'll be back before you know it. You go. Let's go. Let's go. Often,
I do not like the feeling that I am having.
Tomorrow has a lot to say. Tomorrow has a lot to say. Do not forget your what? Do not forget who you are. Don't forget you are priceless. Do not forget where you come from. Makana tomorrow holds a lot for you. Never stop doing good. Maintain your integrity, loyalty and honesty pay. Tomorrow has a lot to say.
Do you believe in sad realities of life, Mama?
Sad realities of life? What do you mean?
Those things that must come to us when we have no control over them. They usually bring pains and sorrows to our souls. Then we'll ask ourselves why it happened.
What are you saying? Or what are you talking about?
The example of the thing I'm talking about is death. Death could creep in anytime, anywhere. It could come like a thief that has come in the night to steal when everybody is asleep. Sometimes it snatches away our loved ones, leaving us here crying out our eyes. Then we'll ask God why it happened, but then He alone knows the best. It might be to take away bigger pains that are yet to come. Death...
Stop it, Ufu. You're scaring me. And what is this sudden talk about death? Where did you get all this from? And who told you all this?
I overheard Grandma talking to Auntie Okuchi about the importance of living a good life. She said death doesn't have respect for anyone. It doesn't have respect for the rich, the poor, the old or the young. It could be me today or you tomorrow. The reason we must live our life like every day is going to be the last day on earth. Death could...
Now stop. Stop it, Ofu. Death is not something you talk about anytime you care to. You could be attracting the spirit of death to us.
Come on, Mama. I don't know you're this scared of death. Death is coming to us anytime soon. But if it comes, I will take a bullet for you because I love you, Mama. Let death choose me and leave my Mama for me. I love you. Mama, don't give me that look. Smile for me, Mama. Smile.
It's gonna be okay. Just look to the sky. Make a wish. Oh, and the Lord of the universe.
What? Hey! Mama!
Thank God you're here. They want to kill me. I don't know who they are. I mean, let's go. I want them. What are you doing?
I'm sorry. No one, not even myself, can stop me from achieving my age-long dream. But you came out of nowhere, just like that, to snatch everything I have yearned for. The man I have craved for all my life. No, you won't stop me.
Please, don't do this. Because what are you doing?
No! This is my boy. He's not safe. Let's get him. He might be a spy. Go after him.
the poor. Yeah, tell me you can see the pain we are going through, the tears in our eyes. When will it be over? Will it be over someday? Is this our destiny? Come heal our destiny. Ofunwamu, ofunwamu, ofunwanjemanu. Obukini kanyi meru wamwamu. Abonye kanyi megidere.
Serves you right, little brats. You deserve more bullet to die more. You think you can run, but you cannot hide from your shadow.
Abonye kanyi megidere. Abukini kanyi mere.
What have I done? What have I done?
Guys,
Hey,
let's leave here.
Wait, hold on! Where is my sister? What happened to her? Is she going to die?
Excuse me, woman. Isn't that what you wanted? You shot her yourself, didn't you?
Boy, let's leave here.
You guys can't leave me here.
Ofunwa mujaga Obonye kanyi mejoro
Lemo
Obonye kanyi mejoro
Help
Ofunwa mu we Ofunwa mjemano we Obonye kanyi mejoro Abokini kanyi
No.
Obi abawamu Obi elewamu Abonye kanyi mejoranu Abonye kanyi mejoranu Iwane wekwamu Obi abawamu Abonye kanyi mejoranu Abogini kanyi merenu Anye meralo Obwenye obozinjo Obukini kanyi merenwa Obwenye kanyi mejoro out of the pond. Yeah. Tell me you can see the pain we are going through, the tears in our eyes. When will it be over? Will it be over someday? Is this our destiny? Come heal our destiny. Ofunwamu, ofunwamu, ofunwanjemanu. Obu gini kanyi meru wanwamu. Obu nye kanyi megidere. Ofunwamu, ofunwamu, ofunwamu mujaga. Obu nye kanyi megidere. Obu gini kanyi mere. Ogbenye ọbụzi njọ, ọ bụ gịnị ka anyị mere n'ụwa? Ọ bụ ihe ka anyị mejọrọ.
Nkem, what are you doing on the floor? Nkem, what are you doing on the ground? Nkem, what is the meaning of this now? Nkem, what happened to you? Hey, Nkem, wake up! Wake up! Nkem! Hey! Hey! Somebody help! Somebody help! Hey! Nkem! Nkem! Hey! Nkem! Hey! Hey! Somebody help! Somebody help! Nkem!
Ofunwanjemanu. Obu gini kanyi meru wanwamu. Obu nye kanyi megidere.
I am very sure of what I heard. That doesn't sound like a hunter's gun. It doesn't. I am very, very sure.
Obu nye kanyi megidere. Obu gini kanyi mere.
Ewo! Dead body! Dead body! Dead body! Dead body!
Nne, walk fast, Nne.
I saw her here, Mama.
Are you okay? You look worried. Is everything okay? Harry.
Something is not right.
Yourself, your mother, and every other person that is related to your sister. So please, stop crying, okay?
I just miss my sister.
I understand. Come on, cheer up. Have this. Drink up. Drink up.
No.
Lunch will soon be served and you'll be joining us in the dining. So drink up.
I don't want to.